Hey everyone, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing on the video. And of course, I want to give a special thanks to my patrons over at Patreon, especially Ashton Cave for being such a high-speed human being. So, let's get into this unboxing. So when I first got these boxes in, I literally didn't know, I did not remember what I ordered, but I remember now for what this one is. So, we'll do the I guess this is the more boring of the two. Let's see. There we go. Alright. Put this over to the side for now. They are what I thought they were. Alright, so what we got here is some training soft plates to finally go into my Steer Systems rig. Alright, so this is like, there's not much to talk about with this. I mean, they're just medium plates. They're gonna go in the rig. I'm gonna put them in, and I'm gonna see how they fit. So let's do that right now. All right, here we go. Got the plates in. They actually fit perfectly, and everything fits a lot better. I definitely recommend getting some inserts if you're actually gonna run this for any particular reason. Whether it be if you're running it for LE or military, you're running steel plates in it. If you're just running it for the range and you don't want the weight, but you don't want to run steel plates, soft plates. Not expensive. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got them. I literally just ripped them off Amazon. They're SAPI compliant, so they will fit the Spear. I had no trouble putting them in. Super easy, super quick. Fits perfectly. So, I mean, I'm not gonna do a review on these because it's soft plates. So, they fit, they give a little flex, they definitely add some good rigidity to the system, and I'm really happy I got them. So, we'll go on to the next package. This one is from WRMFZY. I know this one is. This one was a cool little buy because I usually sell out of shit like instantly. Be careful opening here. Always getting bags and shit, so this one. Look at that. That's sick. Now that is pretty cool. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, that's sick. Just normal inside. Open. And a little pocket up front here. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, just a little pocket up front. It's actually really cool though. Little tiny carry handle up here. Some bucket. Nice little small bag. Done kind of my thing recently. Getting some smaller backpacks. Pretty sick. I'll also have links down below for this guy as well. I'll do some close-up shots of everything as well too, just so you can see it. Do a little B-roll footage, and I'll show that to you right now. Everybody, thanks for watching the video. Really appreciate you sticking around to the end here. So just a quick overview, we had the pack from WRMFZY, and we had the soft inserts, and I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below for both of those so you can check them out. That's all I got for you today. Another quick unboxing video. I'll see you guys in the next video.